Awesome, awesome. Hi, everybody. Hi, Jim. Hi, Schroeder. Hi, Danette. I'm so glad you guys are here, and I am going to get started because I have a lot to cover in a short amount of time tonight. So for those of you that read my email or an email sent out by whoever invited you here, you probably know that tonight I'm going to be doing a live demo of the HBA Funnel Builder. And I am so excited to share this tool with you guys because, you know, I think of it as like the best kept secret on the internet, because although hundreds of people are purchasing it every month, I still feel like there's a lot of people that don't know about it. And I do feel kind of personally responsible. I feel like as a community, those of us that are using it and loving it so much, it's really up to us to get this into the hands of as many other people as we can and show them what's possible here. Because I don't know about you, but before I got my hands on this tool, I was using a lot of different platforms to do all of the different things that I can do all in one place now. And the other piece about that is that I was paying a monthly fee for each of these platforms that added up to way more than the cost of the HBA Funnel Builder that can do it all under one roof. And let me just start out by saying that no matter who sent you here, you can click the button below this video at any time if you want to learn more or purchase. Go ahead and purchase the Funnel Builder. It's only $25 a month. I'm just going to say that right out of the gate because I'm going to be talking a lot about how it compares to some other things and some of the features that it has that actually are worth more than that as standalone features. But there's a button under this video at any time. If you decide you want this tool, you can grab it for yourself, and whoever sent you to this page will get credit for that sale. So I just wanted to let you know that that is available under this video. So I'm curious, if you do not have the HBA Funnel Builder and you're watching this video, I want to know like what you're currently using, what kind of platforms you're currently using to generate leads, to share content with your audience, to deliver PDFs and audios to your audience, to sell products, to take payments, to book appointments, to schedule, to let people, you know, do you have a platform set up where people can schedule appointments with you on automation? Can you redirect pages? You know, do you use a plugin or some type of a software to be able to create easy to remember links to redirect people to your affiliate pages or other pages? These are just some of the features that I'm going to talk about tonight that this platform does, all for $25 a month. So I know personally I've used platforms to set up the scheduler, and I know a lot of my clients before this came about were using, I have clients that are coaches and stuff that were, you know, wanting people to be able to book appointments with them on their own. And those platforms, most of them cost at least $25 a month just for the booking feature, right? And that's just one of the features that we have built in here. And anyway, chances are if you're doing all of the things that I mentioned for your business, you're probably using more than one tool, which is, you know, costing you more than one monthly fee to be able to do all of that. And I know that I was doing that up until last year when I found out about this tool. And since then, I've moved over here. This page that you're watching this on, by the way, is also built with this tool. Another feature that it has that I'm not even really going to talk about tonight, but it allows you to create replicating pages so that other affiliates inside of the HBA Funnel Builder were able to share this training with their people, with their email lists on social media or whatever, and put their little affiliate link at the end and get credit for the sales. I mean, this thing has everything you can imagine is available here. That feature in and of itself is also something that usually you have to pay a coder like $500 to have, you know, get that set up. And we just have it available to us for free. So anyway, when we do these trainings every Wednesday night, I jump on here and do some type of a training. Oftentimes it's with some, another expert in a certain type of marketing specialty or mindset. And we teach different things every week. And usually the people that I'm on here with are people that are part of the HBA community. That's my online community is also another benefit that's built into owning this tool is we have this incredible community of people with a lot of leaders. So what'll happen is a lot of times on these trainings, at the end of the training or some point in the training, we will talk about the funnel builder tool because it comes up because we're talking about lead generation or we're talking about, whatever we're talking about. Usually it's something that we are using this tool to be able to do in our marketing. So it comes up a lot when we're doing these trainings, but we never have time to really show. At the end of the training, I'm always like, I wish I had time to show you guys more about this, and we never have time. So I decided this week, I'm just going to dedicate the entire training to going through to showcase just some of the features that this platform has. Okay, so this is going to be, there's going to be a little bit of how to involved, but it's not so much of a tutorial as it is just kind of giving you a glimpse inside so that you can see some of the amazing stuff that you can do with this $25 a month tool, because it's absolutely incredible to me. And they keep adding more stuff. Like I literally can't even keep up with how many, all the cool stuff that's constantly being added to this platform. The founders of this company, by the way, Paul Hutchings and Mike Hobbs, dear friends of mine, awesome marketers, and they've been in the industry for a long time. And they've used, just like I have, they've used all the other platforms out there too. So they knew what the features that they wanted, but they also knew what was missing. And they wanted to add all of that stuff to this tool and still keep it super affordable. So that's what they've done here. Okay. So I'm going to be talking tonight about a lot of different things that this tool can do. I'm going to try to fit this all into this hour. If I can't, then, maybe we'll do a part 2 or something, but I want to talk about, how you can deliver your free PDFs and audios to your audience without needing any kind of outside hosting like Amazon S3 or an external website or anything like that. I'm going to show you how you can customize this builder with your brand colors so that they automatically show up on your pages. Anytime you go to create a new page, it's all automatically branded with your colors as well as your fonts. I'm going to show you how to upload your own fonts. And even if they're not something that's just available on Google Fonts, I'm going to show you how to, if you've purchased a font that you like, that you want to use on all of your pages, I'm going to show you how to upload that. I'm going to show you one of the really cool ninja things that this builder can do is you can copy and paste widgets and blocks in, like when you're building out pages. If there's a section of the page that you want to put on another page, or you want to put it somewhere else on the page that you're on or whatever, you can copy it and then you can paste it in on another page or wherever you want. So let's say you create a footer with a bunch of links on it or whatever. You can copy that footer, and then every time you create a page, you can copy it into your new page. It's so cool. This is a feature I've never seen anywhere. A lot of these features are features I haven't seen in other builders. So that feature in and of itself has saved me a ton of time. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you the built-in booking widget and scheduler. So if you are someone that wants people to be able to come to your page and book an appointment with you, like choose the time that works for them according to your schedule and book it automatically, I'm going to show you how to do that. That's also built in. Like I said, that's usually a tool that you would pay for a separate platform that would cost you at least $25 a month for in and of itself. And that is also built into this. I'm going to show you that. And I'm going to show you the membership site builder. We can build membership sites here as well. For $25 a month, we can build membership sites. We can create products. I'm going to talk about the payment pages that you can create and all the different payment gateways that connect to it. So like if you want to sell a product and you want the ability to be able to take payments, I'm going to show you that as well. This is all built into this builder for just $25 a month. I almost feel like I could end right now and just say, click the button below and just go get this thing and you'll be amazed because there's like nothing it doesn't do, I feel like. But anyway, I want to show you, I just really want to showcase these different features and we'll see how much time we have. You know, if I have time at the end, I'll show you some other things it can do too. And if I run out of time, maybe we'll do a part 2. I also am happy to take questions. I'm flying solo tonight. So I just, you know, I'll check the comments from time to time. I won't be seeing them in real time as I'm doing the training because I'm going to be sharing my screen. But do feel free to put them in the comments and I will check from time to time and try to get all of your questions answered tonight. And you know, as I said when I sent out my email, even if you're currently using another tool, which I'm sure a lot of you that are watching this are, because if you've been actively building a business, I'm sorry, my dog's taking a drink of water next to me. He'll stop in a second. I know you might hear that. You know, a lot of you, if you're building a business online, you need to have a tool like this. You need a way to be able to capture leads and, you know, have webinar registration pages and all that kind of stuff. And there's a lot of other platforms that do that. So even if you are using another platform right now, I guarantee you that you're going to learn something tonight. And chances are you're going to be blown away to the point where you're going to really see, like, you can actually save yourself a lot of money with this tool because you're probably paying. I haven't actually seen a tool even comparable to this at all, but anything that does some of the stuff that this one does, I've never seen one for $25 a month. The least expensive one that I've ever seen that does not even, you know, just like a small fraction of what this one does is $37 a month. That's the least expensive one I've seen. And they go all the way up to $297 a month. And maybe there's some that are even more, but I know for membership site builders, a lot of them are $297 a month, or, you know, maybe you pay a little bit less, but the platform that you're building it on takes a percentage of your sales. That's an option on some of them where, you know, they get like 5% of your sales or whatever. That doesn't happen here either. It's just flat $25 a month. There's no admin fees or anything else. So I can't wait to jump in and show you guys all this. Like I said, I've been marketing online for a really long time, 15 years, and I've never, ever seen, I've been using different platforms for a long time and I've never seen anything like this. Okay, so I'm gonna just share my screen and jump in because like I said, I have a lot to cover, but before I do, real quick, I just want to check the comments, make sure nobody has anything pressing right out of the gate. Hi, Louie. Hi, Nate. I love the HBA Funnel Builder too. Hi, Jeff. All right. Good, good. Hey, Barb. Awesome. All right. So let me get situated here. And I am going to share my screen and I'm going to do my best to go through this in a way that makes sense so that I can fit in as much as I can in the amount of time that we have here. So let me share my screen and then you guys can tell me if you can see it. Oops. Share my screen. Okay, can you guys all see my screen? I hope. Just want to see if, all right. All right, I'm assuming you guys can see my screen. All right, so I'm going to start out by talking about one of the things I promised was to show you how this thing can help you generate leads. This is a page that I built for one of my clients, and this is just a standard lead generation page. So you are probably using, if you've been marketing online for a while, you probably have some way that you are, you know, and if you're not, this is something that will really help you to generate leads, is to offer something for free to your target audience that can help them right now. And basically it's something that incentivizes them to give you their contact information. So this is my client who's a coach, and she helps people with relationships, and she wanted to help people that are having difficulty in their relationships during the quarantine, being locked up together or whatever. So she created some resources for her target audience, right? So if they click here, send me the kit, they put in their name and email address. So this is just a lead capture page built in the HBA Funnel Builder, where you would create a page where people could generate leads, right? And here it shows what the survival kit includes. So right now, I'm going to show you this, like I promised, I'm going to show you how you can deliver these gifts really easily using this builder as well. But she's giving away a 5-step guide, which is a PDF, a meditation, and a podcast. And these are both MP3 audios, right? So right now on this page, if you click on this, it's just going to ask for your contact information because you can't get these until you opt in, right? And then this is just the rest of the page. There's multiple places where you can click and opt in. Okay, so this is a standard opt-in page for, to generate leads that was built inside of this builder. And then once you opt in, you're taken to the thank you page. So this is what that looks like. And it says, congratulations, here you go. And now you can download this stuff. So this is one of the features that I want to show you. Before I had this funnel builder, anytime that I wanted to deliver a PDF or an audio as a free gift to my audience, I had to upload it to Amazon S3 or to my own external website. In other words, this stuff needs to be hosted somewhere on the internet so that people can download it, right? So before, it needed to live somewhere else. And I've been using Amazon S3 for a long time. But some stuff I would also just upload to my personal website. But with this builder, we don't have to do that anymore. Hold on, let me take a drink of water. We can upload the stuff right into the builder. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. But so here, if you click on download here, it just pulls this up, and it's right inside. It's hosted right inside of the funnel builder. Same with the audios. Boom, it's right there. And then if someone wants to download it to their computer, they can just right click and save audio as and download it to their computer. But she didn't need Amazon S3 or anything else because all this stuff is hosted inside of the HBA Funnel Builder, which this feature I have not seen before. Maybe it exists on another platform. I have not seen it before. This is a game changer in my opinion, because again, it saves you from having to pay for external hosting of any kind because you can host everything here. Okay, so this is an example of a lead capture page. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you some of the templates that we have inside, and then I wanna show you, like I promised, how you can customize your global settings so that your templates will show up with your colors and fonts on them automatically, okay? So if I come into my funnel builder, these are all pages that I've built. I built a lot of pages inside this thing. I love this thing. And they're so easy to build. It doesn't take any time, which is really nice. But if I click on add new step page, it's gonna take me to where I can create a new page. So I'm gonna go to lead generation, and it's gonna show me all of these different templates, and I can preview any of the ones that I wanna see. And these are just templates that are already created that you can go in and easily change out the image, change out the text, change the fonts, change the colors, whatever you wanna do, and create these pages. So as you can see, there's a lot of them in here. Oops, I don't know what just happened. Go back. And these are just lead generation. You can see we have webinar pages, checkout pages, product pages, thank you pages, all these different things. But these are just some of the lead generation pages that we have in here, and they're gorgeous. And there's tons of them. And you know, so again, you can just preview. And when you find something, like if you're doing a webinar, maybe you want to use this page, and then you just, you know, you change this stuff out. You can change the fonts, you can change the colors really easily. So if you wanted to use this page, you would just click select and you would go ahead and use that page. So, right, I'm just going to pick one and show you how you can customize your global settings as well. So, all right, so as you can see, like these all have like different colors showing up. If you haven't customized your settings, then whatever whatever colors are showing up in these previews are what's going to show up on your pages. But if you've customized your settings like I have, let's say we want to select this page. So I'm just going to call it, I'll call it test 1. So it loads it in, and this color that it automatically loads in here, this is the color that I have in my global settings. This color is the exact color that's on my main website. So I want all of my pages in the funnel builder to be congruent with my website. So anytime I open up one of these templates, it's going to have this in here automatically. And it has the fonts that I have, that I tell it to have, and everything is just automatically customized the way that I want it. So let me show you how easy this is. So if I come in here under global styling, and there's all these different things that you can do. So if I click on test styling, it's going to show heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, all the different size headings. You can choose whatever font you want. I have Railway right now for all of them. So you'll see this is all Railway font. But if you wanted a different font in here, you could change these out. Like if I click to edit, and I could go choose another font from in here. Some of these came with the funnel builder, and some of these are fonts that I added. I'm going to show you how to add a font too in a second. So you can change these global settings so that automatically any heading 1 is going to be a certain font. Any heading 2 is going to be a certain font. So that anytime you load a template and it has heading 1s and heading 2s or whatever already created inside of it, it's going to have those fonts. Or if you create a page from scratch, anytime you do a heading 1 or a heading 2 or a heading 3 or whatever, it'll automatically use the fonts that you have specified here. Okay, so let me come back to global styling. So if you want to add your own font, let me show you how to do this. This is the coolest thing ever. I've never seen another builder, again, I've never seen another builder that lets you do this. So this will let you have up to 8 fonts at one time. So when you purchase the funnel builder, it's going to have 8 fonts right here. And if you want to add more, you would just delete one and add a new one. And here's a custom font that I uploaded. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. But let's say I just want to add, so it's going to say you can only have 8 fonts, right? So I need to delete one. So I'm going to just delete this custom font that I have. So if I just want to add a font, I can come in here without even having to purchase a font, or I'm also going to show you how to download free fonts from another website and upload them to here. One of my favorite free font sources I'm going to show you. But you can see there's a gazillion fonts in here. This is all the most popular ones. And then you have alphabetical, if you want to like look through them in alphabetical order, or if you want to search, like let's say I know I want Pacifico, boom, there it is. And it just added it right there. So now let's say I want to make this Pacifico font. I would just highlight it, whoops, and then, oh, I think I have to refresh in order for it to show up. All right, hold on. Oh yeah, it didn't add it. I forgot to save it, that's why. Okay, so let me do this again real quick. All right, add fonts, Pacifico. Oh, confirm. Okay. Now, if I wanted to make this Pacifico, I would highlight it. Oh, it's still not there. Hold on. Okay, so it is there, confirm. Let me see if I refresh. You might just need me to refresh. So highlight it. There it is, Pacifico. And then it changes it to Pacifico, which doesn't look very good, but I just wanted to show you guys how this works. So, okay, so let's say I wanted to add my own font. Maybe you've purchased a font from Creative Market or some other font store, or I'll show you guys one of my favorite places to find cool fonts is this website called Dafont, DAFONT.com. So if you come on here, you can see all these cool fonts, and you can search according to, like, let's say you want a handwritten font. You can, click on handwritten, and you can go through here and find, whatever font you like. The other really cool thing that you can do on here is you can type your text here. So let's say I want to see what my name looks like in a certain font. So then it'll show my name. It's kind of a cool thing. So if you find a font that you like and you want to use it inside of your funnel builder, maybe you want to use it as your like logo or whatever you want to do, you can download it, right? So I'm in handwritten, there's brush, there's all these different types, fancy, cartoon, calligraphy, all these different things. So anyway, if I want to, I'm just going to pick a font and download it just so I can show you guys. Do something kind of funky. All right, let's do, and these go on, look, there's 329 pages of fonts. So let me just find something that I want to use. I don't want to look at my name anymore. All right, let's say I want to use this one, pennies, right? So I would download it. And it's downloading it to my computer. I don't know where. Okay, hold on one sec. I'm gonna do something here real quick. I'm just gonna put it in this folder so that I can easily find it. Okay, so now if I come back over to my funnel builder, and I want to upload a font, I would come back to global styling, add fonts. Now, again, I have to delete one in order to add another one. So I'd go upload custom font, and then I would put the name, I forget what it was called, pennies. And then this one is in TTF format. So I would click here to upload it, upload a file. And where did it go? Here it is. And then I would just grab this, open, select it, and add. Now you can see it's here. So let's say, whoops, save changes. Let me refresh. Hopefully it saved my font. All right. So if I highlight this, where's my pennies? It didn't save it. All right, hold on. Confirm. Oh, there it is, right at the top. I just didn't see it. So there it is. Again, I don't like that font, but so you can easily download fonts from the font. You can purchase fonts. So you can use whatever fonts you want. I don't like this, so I'm going to put it back to Railway. So that's how you upload fonts. And then the other thing you can do in here is your color palette. So this color is the exact color that I use all over my website. This is like my main color on my website. Here's my website. So everything on my website is this same color, right? So what I did was for my primary color, I added right here, I added the hex code for my color. Okay. And then you can add 4 more colors here as your secondary colors by, just selecting and adding whatever hex code you want. So if you have colors and you already know the hex codes, you would just, put in your primary color and put in your secondary colors. And that way, every time you load a page, it's going to use your primary color automatically. But then your secondary colors are going to show up. Like, let's say I wanted to change the 7 ways to a different color. I would click on foreground color and you'll see, here's my primary color and here's my secondary colors. So I can just choose one of my secondary colors and boom, it changes it. So they're just automatically right there, easy to grab at any time. If you don't know how to get a hex code, I use this thing called, I think it's called Color Picker, eyedropper color picker, right? And it's just an extension that I have added to Chrome. So when I click on it, I click on pick color from web page. And then if I hover over a color, like I'm hovering over this button, if I click on it, you can see it saved it right here. And then I can go up and I can grab this hex code and copy it. And then I can just put it in my color palette, which is already in because that's the same color that I'm using here. So if you have colors that you want to use, or you see colors on a website that you like and you want to use them here, you can load them in and then they're automatically there, and you don't have to like find the hex code every time or whatever. They're just automatically built in. So this is another feature that I just love about, and you can change like your main text color, your main background color, all this stuff is customizable. Okay, so this is the global styling, and I love, love, love. This saves so much time because you just go in and customize everything the way that you want it with your fonts, with your colors. You can also change the size. Like if you edit this, you can change the font size for each of your headings too. So this is just all customizable. And then once you save it, it's saved in your global settings. So you don't have to mess with it ever again. You can still go in and change it on a page if you don't like the way it looks on a certain page, but it's just good to go. Okay, I got to pick up the pace here because I still have a lot to do. So I want to show you now. So this is how you would create, let me just show you. So this would be like a lead capture page. And so someone could click on here and enter in their contact information. I don't have this set up. I don't have a pop-up set up yet, but you would set up a pop-up that connects to your autoresponder, and someone could opt in to get their free gift. So to deliver the free gift, like I showed you here, right? You want to create a page where people can download their stuff, right? So let me give you an example. Show you this is one of my pages that I built in the Funnel Builder, where I'm giving away a PDF, free report, a free guide that helps you get more engagement on Facebook, and a bonus, a free audio walkthrough is included, right? So if someone clicks on this, they put in their contact information, they get added to my autoresponder, and then right now I have it set up so that they get an email that delivers their gifts to them. But let's say I wanted to put them on a page. I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, I would just come in, add a new step page. And in this case, I'm going to select a thank you page, because a thank you page is typically where someone would go to get their their free stuff. So you can preview. All right, so let's say I want to use this one. So this, again, this is all customizable. So I would, you could change out your brand here. I could have my name or my logo or whatever I want here. These are all customizable. But really, for the sake of this demo, I just want to show you how to upload. Like, let's say I want this to be, this is an icon. If I want to change out this icon, I would just go to settings and I would click on the icon. And let's say I want it, this is going to be a PDF. So let's say I want like a PDF icon. And I'm just going to do this really quick just to show you. Download your guide. I don't need this coupon code thing, so I delete it. And then if here I want to say, download. Okay. All right. So now if I click on this and I come to edit link, what I want to do is I want to come to file. And I'm going to click right here where it says file, and I'm going to upload the PDF. I'm going to click upload a file, and I'm going to come to my computer. I'm going to find my Facebook PDF guide that I'm giving away. Select it, select. Okay, it was as easy as that. So now when someone clicks on this, it's going to give them that guide. So let's say for this one, over here, I'm going to put the MP3 walkthrough. Right now it's on my blog. It was a podcast episode, but let's say I want to upload it right to here. I'll just say download the audio. This is not, I'm not really doing a good job of this right now, but I just want to show you how to upload. If I wanted to add an icon over here, I could click the icon widget, drag it over here, whoops, and put in, some type of an audio. Center it, change the color to my primary color, whatever I want to do. All right. But really, I just want to show you how to upload the audio. So if I click on this, I click on link, I click on file, I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to come back here. This is my podcast episode MP3. I'm going to click on that. It's going to upload that whole MP3. So you can see it's uploading it right into the funnel builder. So it's going to host it right here. I don't need to use my own hosting for this of any kind. And then I would select this, select. So now if I save the changes and I come to the preview, if I click on this download, there it is. There's my PDF. And if I click on this, whoops. If I click on this one, there it is. There's my audio. And they can, right click and save it or whatever they want to do with it. All right, so let me know in the comments if you think this is cool. And I did this really fast. This page doesn't look great or anything like that. You can always look at it in a new tab or whatever. But this is just an example of how we can host our stuff on here. Like before, like I said, I was using Amazon S3. It was such a pain in the butt because I had to go over to Amazon. I had to upload the stuff. And if you've ever used Amazon S3, you know that there's buckets and all this different stuff you have to do. And then you have to get the link. And then you have to link, I would have to like link this button to an external link in Amazon S3. Now I don't have to do any of that. I can just put it all right here in this funnel builder. Okay, so I just think this is one of the coolest things ever. And it's a time saver, and it also saves us money because you don't need an external website. You don't have to use up bandwidth on your external website if you do have one, and you don't need Amazon S3. So, all right, real quick, I'm just gonna, I wanna check the comments just to see if you guys are good. Simple, fast, yep. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, let me just mention this. Inside of this funnel builder, there's what's called the Funnel Builder Academy that teaches you how to do all this stuff step by step by step. I know I'm going really, really fast tonight, but I just want to show you some of the features. Like I said, I'm not really here to show you step by step how to do it. I'm just doing it real fast just so that you can see what's possible here. But when you purchase this Funnel Builder Academy, let me show you this. You can click on this help at any time. And there's all these training videos in here where you can learn anything that you need to know about how to use this thing. And there's all the training that you need on how to build a funnel and how to do all these different things. There's a whole training on membership sites and everything, but I just want to show you kind of what's possible here. Okay. So, all right. So the next thing I'm going to show you real quick is just, I said I would show you like how to share valuable content with your people. Well, the page that you're on right now is a perfect example of this. I took the page that you're on right now, right out of the templates, and it's a page that anybody can use. Like, let's say you have a video that you want to share with your audience. You can just create a page like the one you're on right now, put the embed code from YouTube or wherever the video is, and put a button underneath. Like if you have a call to action where you're wanting people to take another step, you can just easily do that. I actually just created a page like this. This one, I'll show you. So what I did was I just created a page where I had a testimonial video for the 30-minute workday, which is part of the Funnel Builder too. And I just took the YouTube embed code and put my testimonial up on this page. And then it's a free system. So I put a button underneath where, yes, I want the free system. And so you can do this. You can create a quick page. This took me like 2 minutes because I took the template out of one of the templates. I don't even remember which template it is, let's say. But let's just say you want to select this one. Right? And you would just put your text up here. You would just click on this, edit the video, add your YouTube link there, and then put your button here. That's it. You don't need any text. You don't need to be tech savvy at all. You just, and it's so easy. So like if you have a video, let's say you're building a company in your network marketing business or something, and there's like a really good video that you want to share with your leads, you can upload it to a page like this and just, send it out. Or whenever you're talking to someone on Facebook and they want more information, you can send them a link to this page and they can watch the video and then they can purchase whatever it is here. Right? So it's just like the page you're on right now, right? Boom, boom. This takes like 2 minutes, but it's so easy to create really nice pages. And again, it would have all of your fonts and colors and everything, and you can customize it to look however you like each time. All right, let me show you. I was telling you how you can copy and paste widgets and stuff. So I love this feature. So let's say you just created this button. Let's say I want to change the button to be my primary color. And, I I made it look the way that I want it. And now I want to use it on another one of my pages or somewhere else on this page. I would just click copy, and then it goes up here on this little clipboard. Whatever I copied last is going to be at the top. So now I can take that button and I can put it wherever I want it. I can put it somewhere else on this page, or I can go to another complete other page. So let's just go back to like another page. Let's say I want to add it here. I would just come here and I could just put it right there. So I love this because you can create, you can do the same thing like for, you know, anything. Like if you have like, you know, these social media links or whatever, you can copy them and then add them to another page. So now when you come up here, you'll see social media is right here. So I can drag that onto any page that I want. I love this so much. This saves so much time. And again, I know I'm going really fast, but this is super, super simple to do. And it's one of my other favorite, I have like a gazillion favorite features, but it's one of my other favorite features of this builder, that it allows us to just easily, you know, again, if I want to put this, I can put it wherever I want it. Boom, there's my social media thing. I love that. So we can customize these widgets however we want them, and then just copy them and then just use them wherever we want. Okay. All right. Now I want to show you the booking feature, because I think this is such a cool thing. Again, if you've ever had a platform available where people can schedule and book appointments with you before, you've probably paid at least $25 a month just for that capability. And now we can do it here for no extra charge. It's all included for $25 a month. So I love this, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So if you see up here, we have the builder, the store, the contacts, and the booking. See, it says new. They're always adding new stuff here. So when you click on booking, it's going to take you in here. I was playing around with it. I have one that I've created so far, but I'm going to create a new one just to show you. So let's create a new booking event. I'm going to call it, I'll do business consultation, 1 hour. I did one for 30 minutes before, but let's say I want to do a 1 hour one. 1 hour. The location, I'm going to do it on Zoom. And yes, I want to send an email to the client with their details about the meeting. I go to next, operators and services. So I'm going to add an operator. I already have myself here, but you can add other people if you want to. I'm going to add myself. So I've added myself. Go next. Okay, so now the booking type. So you have one-on-one, operator will meet with a single attendee, or a group, multiple attendees can join. And you can actually change this booking type too. If you want to add other booking types, this thing will let you add other booking types as well, which is really cool. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as one-on-one. And this is going to be an hour. So I'm going to say 60 minutes. And then you can decide how far out in advance you want people to be able to book with you. I usually don't do more than 2 weeks. So you could do, you know, for a week, you could do just for the next few days. Let's say I'm going to do 2 weeks. And I want to do, you know, this is every day from 9 to 5. But let's say I just want to do Monday through Friday from 9 to 11. And then if I want to add, let's say Saturday and Sunday from 9 to, you know, you can do this, do whatever you want, 9 to 10. Okay, so here's my availability for these sessions. Maybe I want to add, I'll say 9 to 1 on that one. Okay. So let's say you want to add it, you want to exclude a day. You can say I'm not available from this Friday until this Sunday. I'm not available at all on those days. The available increments, This would be a start time. So I'll say every 30 minutes they can choose, and then prevents last minute booking. So let's say I don't want somebody to book something and then me have to jump on right away. So I say they have to give me at least 4 hours notice. A buffer, meaning if, do I want my appointments to be able to schedule right back to back, or do I want a little break in between? So I think I want a 15-minute break in between my appointments. So I put that in there. If I want to limit the number of sessions per day, like let's say I can only do 2 1-hour sessions and then my voice is shot. So I'm only going to do 2. All right. And then the form questions. So I'm going to ask them for their name and their email address. But let's say I want to add some other stuff. So I'm going to add, let's say like a radio button. And then I'm going to say business type. And then I click edit and I can say, what type of business do you have? And then here I would say like, done for you products and services. Consulting, coaching. I'm going to say it's a required field, confirm. And then if I wanted to add more questions, let's say text area. Biggest struggle. I'm going real fast once again, but I'm just showing you this. What's your biggest struggle in your business? And then save. Okay, we go next. And then I'm just going to leave out the default. If you want to send them to a custom page after they fill this out, you can send them. You can create a thank you page just like I showed you and have a video on it or whatever you want if you want. Or you can just have the default message, which I'm just going to leave that for now. You can have your message header, extra info about the meeting. So maybe you want to put the Zoom link here so that they know, where to go for their meeting. You have like your Zoom meeting room link. You could put that in here. Whatever you want. You could add a call to action button. So let's say you take, it takes them to, the confirmation, and in it you say, for best results, purchase this funnel builder before our meeting. And you could have a button there that takes them over to purchase the funnel builder with your affiliate link if you wanted to. So here you would put your button text and your button destination. Okay, I'm not gonna do that just for the sake of time. And save changes. Okay, so the booking is created. So now I'm going to come back over to my builder. I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can add this. So I'm going to come back to my builder. Let's say I just want to put this on a page all by itself. So I click page. And I would go empty page. Booking demo. And so now I'm going to come over to my widgets, add widgets. And I'm going to drag this booking widget here. Select your booking event, business consultation, 1 hour. And then you can change your fonts or whatever you want to do. Save changes, website preview, boom, there's my page. So I could have this be like a page where when someone clicks on a button on another page, it takes them over here and they can pick their day, they can pick their time, and then here's the questions. They would put in their name, their email, their business type. They would click one of them. They would put in their business, their biggest struggle. They would type that in, they would put all this in, and they would book their appointment. And then they would be taken to that confirmation page. How cool is this? And you would be notified that you have this new appointment. So this is awesome. And then the other thing that you can do is, like, if you just want to add this to a page that you already have, let's just say, I'll just use my little home page here. I'll just, for the sake of time, I'm just going to duplicate it. Oops. Oh, here we go. Duplicate. So let's say I just want to add the booking to the bottom of this page. Again, I would just come to add widget and I would just drag. Oh, I need to add a block. So I would just, oops. I would add a block, empty block. And now add a widget, drag my booking widget down here. Oops. And then select my thing, and there it is. So if I save changes, preview, you'll see at the bottom of this page now, and I can add like a headline at the top that says book an appointment with Amy or whatever I want. And then they can just, on any page, you could just add this widget. So again, I'm not going to show you how to add the headline. I mean, I guess I should, but so you could just add a heading and type in, you know, schedule. Schedule a free appointment with Amy. And then I can, you know, center this and there you go. Just to give you an example of how you can add it to a page. Okay, I have a few more things I want to cover real quick. I'm going to check on you guys real quick. I know we're coming to the top of the hour and I'm flying through this, but I just want you guys to see some of the stuff. I'm pumped about the booking feature. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing to me that this is built in to this already amazing platform for no extra charge. Excited to start using this. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so I could go on for like 3 hours and still not show you guys all the incredible stuff that this thing does. All right, let me show you something else real quick. So if you have like your own products or you want to create your own products and sell them, you can do all of that here. We can take payments here. You can host your products here. So if you come to store, you can add a product. You can, if you ship products, you can add your shipment method and then your payment method. So like if you want to connect a payment method, right now I have Stripe and PayPal connected for mine. But let's say you don't want to use Stripe or PayPal. Look at all these payment methods that we can connect. So you can sell your products and you can connect to Braintree, to Checkout, Afterpay, MobilePay, PayU, Paystack, Authorized.net, all this stuff, cash on delivery, bank transfer. You can connect these so that when people pay on their payment page, which I'm going to show you in a second, it will go to a bank transfer or to Stripe or PayPal or any of these, right? It's amazing. So I have, like right now I have this $97 product, which people, you know, people can buy this for $97 and it goes through Stripe. And let me see if I have it up here. Yeah, so I put this on a membership site, which we can also build inside of this funnel builder. we can create these membership sites. So when someone pays their $97, they can come in here and they'll have access to this. And day one, introduction to sales funnels. And I can put all my stuff in here, my videos, my homework. I'm recommending they get the funnel builder at my funnel builder link. I have a button here where they can purchase the funnel builder. And I even, for each of my days, this is basically a training that I did live. And then I threw it up on a membership site so that I could sell it. I did it free training live, but then I gave it away as a bonus to the people that purchased the funnel builder. They get access to this for free. And then for anybody else that wants to buy this, it's $97. So I had some people request the slides that I used for each day's training. Each day is about an hour long training, and there's 5 days worth. So it's like 5 hours worth of training. So like down here, slides, click here to download. Again, I can upload this right into, as a file, I can upload my slides in and provide the slides for people. And then if they come to day 2, boom, there's my day 2, day 3. So this is one of the membership sites inside of the funnel builder. All right, so we have access to this too for 25 bucks a month. Again, there's a whole training in there that Mike Hobbs did on how to build a membership site. But this thing is amazing. And it's awesome because once you put your stuff up on a site like this, you can sell it. And through our payment gateways, like I showed you, you can connect the payment and you can take payments. So let me show you what else is inside of the builder where you can create these payment. I know I'm flying, you guys. I'm so sorry. I just really want to show you this. So under pages, you can see checkout pages. So there's all these different templates that you can use. And again, you can preview whatever ones you want, but you know, where you can take people to check out and they put in their information. That's a 2-step one, but let me show you another one with, I don't know what any of these look like. Yeah, pay with card. They put in their credit card number, pay with PayPal. So here, you know, and then you can change out this image and all of this is customizable as everything else is, but you would have this connecting to the payment gateway that you selected in the back so that it goes directly to your PayPal or directly to your Stripe or directly to your bank account or any of the other payment gateways. And you can sell a product. And then once somebody completes their order, you could have it take them over to, you know, a welcome video or to right into the product, a product like this, where you're delivering their course to them. Okay, so that's really quick. I just wanted to show you. Also in the builder here, you'll see membership or course. So these are some of the membership site templates that you can choose from. You saw, you know, you saw mine, but there's a bunch of different ones in here that you can look at for different ways to set up your membership site. It loads the person's name in there. And again, all the fonts and colors and everything are customizable. And here's another one that's laid out differently. So you could have, you know, a page that has all your courses on it. I mean, it's just, this thing has everything. I can't even believe this is all available for 25 bucks a month. It's unbelievable. And then the one last thing that I promised that I just want to show you guys is the redirects. So if you, URL redirect. So if you are an affiliate for anything, like I'm an affiliate for the funnel builder, for example, and my affiliate link is this long drawn out link. As you can see here, it's like academy.samcart with all these letters and numbers. So I just put / funnel builder as my old URL. I put in my long affiliate link here. I click save. And now if I go to StarrAllenStudios.com is my domain for all my funnel builder pages. And I put / funnel builder. Is that what I did? Yeah, it takes you to this, my funnel builder affiliate page without me having to remember that long affiliate link. So these redirects, I use them for all kinds of stuff. I have one for a Zoom recording that I did that I share with new people. Like you can create them for anything at all that you want to shorten links for. Again, this is a feature that I used to have to go into my other website and use a plugin called Pretty Link in order to create these links. And now I can do it in 2 seconds inside of the funnel builder for free for no additional charge. And you can create as many as you want. So you just click add new redirect. You'd put in / whatever page you're going to send people to, or, whatever you want it to say, like say you're doing a webinar. And then on here you would put in the actual link. So let's say like your webinar is on, some big long link on another platform or whatever, but you can just use your domain name / webinar. And that way, when you post it on Facebook or send it out in an email or whatever, it's a short, good looking, easy to remember link. So it's so simple. Okay, so I think I got through, I'm going to check the comments again. I think I made it through everything that I promised for tonight. Again, this is not even the tip of the iceberg when it comes to all the stuff that this thing can do. Yeah, it's amazing that we get all this for $25. Again, that's why, how do you add your email account when someone opts in? Okay, so I'll show you that real quick, Kevin. I'm losing my voice from talking so much. So this funnel builder connects to, automatically connects to a whole bunch of different autoresponders. Let me see. I'm trying to find a good page. Let me see what this. Okay, so if I click on this form, click settings, see how it says Aweber settings here? I can select any, because I have this connected to my Aweber. These are all my lists in Aweber. You can see I have a lot of them. But I can connect this form to any list that I want in my Aweber. So if you are using a different autoresponder, you can, I think it's in, let me see, integrations and applications. Yeah, so I have Aweber right here. But if I click on add API, so you can see there's MailChimp, MailerLite, Facebook Pixel, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign. These are all the autoresponders that we can connect to via API. But the other thing that you can do if you're not using one of these autoresponders, and I do this anyway for a lot of my pages, is I just use a web form. So you can go into your autoresponder, any autoresponder at all that you're using. And when you create a form in your autoresponder, you can get the embed code for that form. And you can use that embed code on any of your funnel builder pages instead of connecting directly the way that I have mine connected directly to Aweber. Like let's say I wanted to put a web form instead. I'm trying to think if I have, I know I have a web form in one of mine. Let's see. So this custom code, so on my 30-minute workday one, I don't have it connected to my Aweber. I'm using just my custom code from Aweber. So I'm using a code widget here. So if I click on edit code, this is my Aweber code that I got after I created my my form in Aweber. So let's say if I go back to that demo. And let's say I want to get rid of this and use my own form. It's not going to match because that 30-minute workday one doesn't have these same colors. But basically, I would go here and I would delete this form. And then I would come over to my widgets. And I would just get the code widget and I'd slide that over. And then I would paste that Aweber code in here. Save. And now if I preview this, you'll see it has that code. Again, it has that form. It's not going to match. It doesn't work for this page because it's for the 30-minute workday. But that's how you can bring any form over from any single autoresponder at all if it's not one of the ones that connects directly to the funnel builder. But as you can see, there's a lot of options in here. MailChimp, Get Response, Active Campaign, MooSend, and oh, I forgot to mention this funnel builder also stores your contacts in here. So it has a contact manager in here, which is pretty ninja. So even if you don't have an autoresponder, you can manage your leads in here. You wouldn't be able to email them from here, but you can manage them from here. Let me know if that makes sense. Oops. All right, so Kevin, I hope I answered your question. Yes, the booking feature is awesome. Yeah, again, I didn't have time to do a full tutorial of all these features. Mostly, I just wanted you to see these features because I still can't get over the fact that I only pay $25 a month to own this platform. Here's the other cool thing about it. So on the page that you're on right now, as you'll see, there's a button right here that says, yes, show me more. If you click on this button, you can go get an overview of the funnel builder from Mike and Paul, the founders of this company, and you can purchase it. But the other really cool thing about this is that this product pays 80% commissions to its affiliates. So if you click this button and you purchase the funnel builder right now, whoever sent you to this page, you're going to pay $25 for your funnel builder and they're going to get paid a $20 commission. And it's residual because it's a monthly fee. So every month I pay $25 for my funnel builder. And every month, the person who I bought it through makes $20 a month from me. But the thing is, I make $20 a month from all the people I've referred to it. So it more than covers the cost of mine. So I'm basically using this platform for free because I've referred a bunch of people to it. So not only do I not pay for it, but I'm making money from it because I love it. So I share it with everybody. Like I said in the beginning, I feel like it's part of my it's my responsibility to share it with people because where else can you get all of this for 25 bucks? Nowhere. Seriously, nowhere. Not to mention, not just the features that are involved that are included in this, but how easy it is to use. I don't know if you saw how fast I was able to move inside of this thing. We can customize this, move stuff around, make it look however we want so easily. I've never worked with another builder that's this easy to work with. I didn't even really show you guys how easy it is to resize things and, change images and colors. And I mean, it's just so easy. It's ridiculous how easy it is. I'll just pull up a template real quick just so that you can see. But I have worked, I've used, I would say pretty much all of the big name autoresponders out there. And most of them are really, really, really frustrating when you're trying to like customize stuff. I don't know what happened to my page, damn it. Okay, let's see. I don't know what happened. Add a new, oh, here we go. All right, so let's say I loaded this template in and I want to change like the color of this. I want to make it my color. I want to change the color of this button. I want to make it purple. Do you see how easy this is? I want to change this image. I would come to my block. I would get rid of that image and I would add, you know, some other image that I have in here. Or I could just upload any image I wanted. Anyway, this is how easy this is. And if you want to upload an image, it's the same as I showed you before, how we uploaded those files. You just click upload a file and you can upload as many images as you want, logos, whatever you want. And they can all just be hosted here. It's awesome. So anyway, this thing is insane. I'm way past the top of the hour, so I don't want to take up any more of your time. But I just wanted, you know, I just really wanted to show you how cool this thing is, how easy it is to work with, to customize, all the cool stuff that it can do. And I just, you know, like I said, I can't even get over that we can do all this for 25 bucks a month. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll check the comments one more time. And if you're watching the replay and you have questions, you can still put them in here and I will. Oh yeah, all the training videos are in there. Once you purchase the Funnel Builder, you get free access to the Funnel Builder Academy and you will get all the training you need, all the how-to step by step by step of everything, including let me show you this real quick. I'm trying to remember how to get out of here. I was going to show you guys how to access the Home Business Academy, member login. So I was just in the Funnel Builder tool, but Funnel Builder Academy is right here. And you can see there's all these videos in here, how to pick the best domain, how to do, you know, Funnel Builder setup. And Mike, under each of the videos, like he'll show you, like if there's a bunch of different stuff, he'll put, you know, steps to follow and timestamps. He has how to set up every single autoresponder that we can connect to. Like it's all in here. Okay, so the step-by-step is available and it's all free once you purchase the Funnel Builder. All right, thanks for pointing that out, Jim. Contact Manager is great for like a baker or lawn business or something that doesn't really work heavily with emails. Yeah, you can manage your leads from inside of the Funnel Builder like I showed you. It keeps all of your leads there. And you can put a phone number field on your forms so that if you need people's phone numbers, you know, if you're a realtor or something, you want to call people, you can have them opt in with their phone number and then you can call them. Or a baker or a lawn business or whatever. Good, Kevin. I'm glad I answered your question. Awesome, you guys. Refresh this one more time. Again, if you're watching the replay, feel free. Got to use the little arrows now. I don't know what that means. Anyway, feel free to ask more questions in the comments. I will check them. And definitely click the button, this button that you see below the video, and go take a test drive of this thing. It's only $25 and you get all of this stuff. It's insane. It will take your business to the next level, all the stuff you can do, not to mention how professional it's going to make you look, because there's no reinventing the wheel. There's all these templates, and you don't have to use the templates. You can create stuff from scratch, but there's so many beautiful templates that you can use that you can literally create pages on the fly. Like I create pages all the time. You saw how many I have back there because they're so easy to create, and it's just so fun to work with. You know, there's just so much cool stuff that you can do with it. Again, like this is a page that I created with it. This is a page that I created with it. Oh, and you'll see here. So she has a bonus offer, schedule a free live session with me. If you click here, people can fill out this form and schedule a session with her. This page I showed you how you can upload the stuff directly to here. And then, you know, you can put your bio down below. And again, she has schedule your free discovery session using the booking feature. People can book right here, right on your thank you page. I mean, there's so many cool things you can do with this. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful, you guys. Let me know if you have additional questions. Check the comments one more time, and I think we're good to go. Oh, little arrows on the Funnel Builder Academy buttons. Oh, gotcha. Oh, these. Ah. So you click on these little arrows and you can see all the different, you know, membership site training. So he's got here, and it shows you exactly where, like if there's just something specific you want to know, it tells you where to go. 6 minutes and 52 seconds, product setup. So like what I recommend and what I did was I just went through the whole thing. But then like if you go through this whole thing and then you go to set up your membership site and you get to a certain spot and you forget what to do, you can come back and be like, oh, how to give yourself access. Oh, how to create member groups. And you can see exactly where in this video to go and find it. So there's all this training. You just click on the little arrows. Thanks, Jim. All right. Oh, it's new buttons just last week or so. Yeah. Yeah, they're always upgrading this thing, which is the other thing I love about it. But anyway, I love you guys. Seriously, do yourself a favor and grab this tool. You will not be disappointed. And you'll have our whole community. Once you get started with the Funnel Builder, you'll be added to our Funnel Builder community on Facebook. We have a really, really active Facebook group with hundreds of people in there, including brand new people that have never used a tool like this before. Everybody gets the support that they need. Everybody's questions get answered. We do a live training once a month for Funnel Builder members, where it's like a mastermind where people come on and show different stuff that they're doing with their funnels and membership sites and all of that. And we also have some other products available in the back office, including a premium membership where you can get access to a lot of different types of marketing training and a weekly mastermind, marketing mastermind. And you'll see all that inside. But the tool itself, it's $25 a month. And again, you get access to the Funnel Builder Academy that'll show you how to use all this stuff, and our Funnel Builder Facebook group, so you can be part of our amazing community. So I really look forward to seeing you guys in there, and I will talk to you soon.